Good morning, afternoon, class. Once again, this is your teacher, Mr. Collins. Today, now that we've gone over our do now, written down our objective and agenda, first thing that we need to go over is just some keys to circuitry. All right. So, when setting up a circuit, first thing that we're going to start with, just like ComEd, we're going to start with our power source. All right. We need to make sure that everything is okay with our power source. So, in this scenario, we're using batteries. Just a refresher, what type of energy is being converted to electrical energy in a battery? All right, exactly. All right, we're turning chemical energy, so the battery acid inside, we're turning that into electrical energy. All right, and the first step that you do when setting up batteries, you probably know this. Every battery has a positive and a negative side. They tell you. All right, they all have signs, positive, negative. You can see, and you need to set up the negative end of one battery right here to the positive end of another battery. All right. Now, the reason why you're doing this, and you're going to figure this out later or learn this later, is because you're actually creating a magnet. All right. But we don't need to get to that right now. All right. So, when creating a circuit or constructing a circuit, the next key is to make sure that you have a pathway. All right. So that there are no gaps. So we have our light bulb here. I'm going to switch that on. You see our light bulb is on. Now, if I release one of these clamps, our light bulb goes off. All right. You must make sure that you don't have any gaps. Okay. Now, one more piece of advice. Our switch. Our switch is going to work just like your light switch at home. Okay. So it's actually blocking the current for a second when it's in that off mode and allowing it to pass through once you have turned it on. Now, we can bypass our switch. We don't need to know this, but it's pretty cool. We can bypass our switch by creating a parallel circuit. All right, you see, if I just connect my light right here, that it cuts on. All right. So class, I want you all to take 3 minutes. Answer questions 1 through 5 on the side. Make sure you're writing in complete sentences. All right. Now I want us to jump into this reading. It will be an annotated reading. Can somebody give me those instructions? All right. So, just like it says, you will underline any important information, write a question mark next to things that you don't know or don't understand, and write an exclamation point next to things that are new or new information for you. All right? Now, I want you all to take 7 minutes. I want you to answer questions 1 through 5 based on the reading. Go.